In this video, I'm going to cover the fascinating story of the founder of Polymarket. His name is Shane Copeland. He is a blockchain developer and he is only 26 years old. If you are new here, my name is Julian and at Eat the Blocks, I help you to become a blockchain developer. So Polymarket is a betting platform. It allows anyone to bet on real life events like politics or sports. Technically, this is what we call a prediction market. This is a groundbreaking platform that has revolutionized the world of crypto betting. And recently, they came under the spotlight of mainstream media for accurately predicting the US election. But how Shane Copeland managed to create this platform? What is his background and what are the challenges that he faced? Let's hear his story. Shane Copeland was born and raised in New York City, where he developed a passion for technology and coding at an early age. When he was 15 years old, Shane participated in the initial Ethereum ICO in 2014, when tokens were just worth 30 cents. He's one of the youngest participants of the Ethereum ICO. Later, Shane pursued a degree in computer science at New York University. However, like a lot of geniuses, he didn't finish his degree and he dropped out of college. What Shane really wanted to do was to create real-life projects that could be impactful. He started his career as a blockchain developer by working for an Ethereum startup, and in 2017 he founded his own company, Token Union, a platform to reward users for holding cryptocurrencies. During the 2020 lockdown, Shane explored prediction platforms like Augur, an Ethereum-based market that launched in 2015 but failed to gain much traction. During the 2020 lockdown, Shane explored prediction platforms like Augur. This is when he decided to launch his own prediction market, Polymarket. But at the beginning, he could never have predicted what Polymarket would become. Shane launched Polymarket from his bathroom. Yes, you heard that right. With very limited resources and working solo, he set up a makeshift office where he ran the initial operations of what would become a revolutionary platform. But Shane was determined. He often spent long nights coding and refining his ideas. And the platform finally launched the same year on Ethereum in 2020, and it quickly generated some volume. And soon after, Polymarket secured $4 million in seed funding. So what is Polymarket? Polymarket is a crypto betting platform. It allows users to bet on different events from political outcomes to sport results. Unlike traditional betting websites that rely on fixed odds set by odd makers, Polymarket operates as a prediction market. So here is how it works. Users can buy or sell shares based on their prediction about future events. The price of these shares fluctuates based on market sentiment, providing real-time insights into public opinion. This innovating approach not only democratizes betting, but also offers valuable data that can inform decision-making across various sectors from politics to finance. And we saw this especially during the 2024 US election. Polls run by mainstream media were completely off the mark. In comparison, the polls of Polymarket were much more accurate. They accurately predicted the victory of Donald Trump, including at the state level. Shane, the founder of Polymarket, proudly stated, "Make no mistake, Polymarket single-handedly called the election before anything else. The global truth machine is here, powered by the people." And this set a precedent. In future political election, it's very likely that Polymarket will once again be regarded as the source of truth and not the mainstream media. So Polymarket has gained a lot of visibility, but how big is it exactly? The platform has secured over $70 million in funding from high-profile investors, including Peter Thiel Founder Fund and Ethereum co-founder Vitalik Buterin. Since its launch, Polymarket had more than 200,000 active users with a peak of thousands of simultaneous active users during the election. And it made over $1 billion in trade since launching. That's really a lot, and at this stage, we can confidently state that Polymarket is the next Uniswap, a huge success story that is going to define its own category in crypto. So what sets Polymarket different from traditional betting platform? Well, instead of simply placing bets against fixed odds, users engage in a dynamic marketplace where prices reflect the collective intelligence about upcoming events. So in other terms, the odds are dynamic. This is what we call the wisdom of the crowd. By leveraging collective forecast, Polymarket offers insights that can often be more reliable than expert opinions alone. So now Polymarket isn't the first crypto prediction market. Augur was there first, but Polymarket became much more successful. Why is that? Polymarket has a much more simple user experience. So you don't need to own a native token to use Polymarket, and you don't need to be a seasoned crypto user. And now you can even place bets with a credit card. It's also cheaper to use Polymarket. Polymarket operates on the Polygon network, whereas Augur operates on Ethereum. The fee structure is also different. On Polymarket, users are only charged once the outcome has been reported, but not for trading outcome shares, contrary to Augur. And finally, Polymarket offers a wider range of betting opportunities beyond just political events. They cover topics from sport outcomes to cryptocurrency prices and global socio-economic indicators. This diversity attracts users with various interests, unlike Augur, which primarily focuses on user-generated market and specific event types. Now, not everything is perfectly smooth for Polymarket. One potential issue is regulation. In the past, they received a fine from the CFTC in the US. After this fine, they stopped accepting US users. France is also talking of banning the platform, but hopefully with the new Trump administration, they will get a more favorable regulatory environment. So Shane Copeland is a great inspiration for blockchain developers. It's a story of someone who wanted to build something big, who started from nothing and made it happen. He saw a project that he wanted to improve, Augur, and started to build a better version. He started the project from his bathroom with no resources, worked hard, and ended up building one of the most successful crypto apps. So do you want to see more videos about Polymarket? Let me know in the comments down below. That's it for today. Bye.